Sir Gabriel Adano. This is our presentation for the last group, and our topic is the addition of binary. Before we start, I will introduce the rules of binary. So first, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 1 plus 1 equals 0 carry 1. This is the example of addition of binary. 1 0 0 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1 1. So how to solve this? So 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals 0, then carry 1, 1 plus 0 equals 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, and 0 plus 0 equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 equals to 0 carry 1. So wala na siyang kasama sa baba, so bring that na lang. Final answer, 1 0 1 1 1 and 1, and our classmate will begin some of example of binary addition. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rogenes Consuegra at ituturo ko nga pala sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng binary. At gagamitan din natin ito ng rules. Maglalagay po ako dito ng example na i-solve natin. Papakita ko rin pala sa inyo yung gagamitin nating rules. 0 plus 0 equal 0. 1 plus 0 equal 1. 0 plus 1 equal 1. 1 plus 1 equal 0 carry 1. Ngayon, isusunod na natin to gamit ang mga rules, ang apat na rules na ito. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 1 equals 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0 carry 1. Tapos, bibring down natin tong 1 dito.
Hello, Sir Gabriel. And ito yung kay Rogen, and ako yung sa checking niya. Bali, ito yung given na binigay niya sa kanya, sa amin. And ito, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Baba naman, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Bali, paano na si-load to? 0 plus 1 is 0. Gagamit tayo ng rules dito. Paano natin masasagutan to? 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Yan. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Dito. And 0. Carry 1. Bali 1 plus 1 is 0. Mag-isagot natin dyan. 0 plus 1 ay 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 0. And dito naman, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. So, bali, 0 plus 0 is 0. Carry 1. Bali, ang carry 1 na yan, sobra yan. So, bring down natin dito. So, ang mangyayari naman is, paano natin makukuha yung sagot dito? Gamit tayo ng binary place number value. Binary place value. Ito yung mga value. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. So, paano natin malalaman yung sagot? Ika-cancel out muna natin yung mga 0 para malaman natin yung sagot at ipa-plus natin. Bale, 128, 32, 16, 4, and 2. Ang sagot natin dyan is 182. Yan. Sa baba naman, cancel out din, same lang. 64 plus 32 and 8, 4, 1. Ang sagot natin is 109 decimal. Sa baba rin, ganun din. Paano natin nakuha? Ganun lang, cancel out para malaman natin yung sagot. Bale, ito na yung final answer natin. 163. Thank you po.
Good day everyone, I am Lorraine de los Santos Candes from ICT 1A. This video, I'll be showing you how to solve a binary addition. And now, here's our given example. But before we start, always remember na kapag walang number yung nasa baba or walang katapat na number, is dapat dito tayo mag-i-start. Kasi kapag dito tayo nag-start, mag-iiba yung ating answer. So let's start solving. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. And then 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, carry 1. And then before we proceed to add these two numbers, we need to add the carry and then this. So 1 plus 1 is also 0, carry 1. And then let's proceed. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. And then ganun lang ulit. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, and then 1 plus 0 is equals to 1 again. And then 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, carry 1, and then 1 plus 1 muna, ito muna, is equals to 0, carry 1, and then this, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, and then let's add this na lang to bring down 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, and this is our final answer.
Hello everyone, my name is Chris Juliana from SC2. So, andito ako para mag-check. Tama nga ba? Yun ako ang sagot kanina. So, ginawa ko, ito, sinulat ko lang ulit siya dito para hindi masyado malito. Yan. So, ano tayo? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then, sa baba naman, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then the answer is 10010111. Yan. So dito sa taas, dito muna tayo mag-start. So, itong 0, kapag may nakita 0, automatic cancel na siya. So, nakakancel na siya. Then, ang mangyayari, ipag-add na yung mga natira. Which is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 16 plus 32. The answer is 55. So, ito. Then next, pag-add din yung natira, kagaya na ginawa dito. So, 2 plus 16 plus 32, the answer is 40. So, dito naman, kung paano ginawa natin dito, ganun din gagawin natin dito. 1 plus 8 plus 32 plus 64, so the answer is 105. So, ito. So, ang answer dito is 105. So, tama yung ginawa. Tama yung kakasolve.